In this comprehensive step-by-step video, we dive deep into the full process of installing ceramic tiles on a garden wall project that not only enhances the visual appeal of your outdoor space, but also provides a protective and durable finish to exposed surfaces. Whether you're a passionate DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide offers valuable insights that cover every detail from preparation to finishing touches. We begin with the essential groundwork. Inspecting the wall surface for cracks, moisture, or irregularities. This step is crucial as a stable and clean surface ensures better adhesion and a long-lasting result. The video explains how to clean and prime the wall, ensuring it's free from dust, oil, and any weak particles that may hinder tile bonding. Next, we move on to choosing the right type of ceramic tile for your garden wall. We cover the factors to consider such as tile, thickness, texture, finish, and color coordination with your existing outdoor elements like floors, garden borders, or furniture. We also highlight why choosing weather-resistant tiles is important for outdoor projects, especially in regions with heavy rain, sun exposure, or extreme temperatures. Once the tile choice is made, we demonstrate how to measure the wall dimensions accurately and plan the tile layout. This includes how to calculate the number of tiles needed, where to start laying the tiles, and how to maintain symmetry and alignment. Proper planning prevents common mistakes like misaligned patterns, uneven spacing, or tile wastage. The heart of the video is the tiling process itself. We take you through the tools required: tile cutter, notched trowel level, mixing paddle, spacers, rubber mallet, and more. Then, we show how to mix tile adhesive to the correct consistency, neither too thick nor too runny for optimal bonding. With a consistent application of adhesive using the notched trowel, we demonstrate how to press each tile firmly into place, checking level and alignment every few tiles. The video includes tips on how to cut tiles around corners, garden light fixtures, or decorative elements without cracking or breaking them. Spacers are used to maintain even grout lines, and we discussed how to make adjustments on the go to deal with slight wall irregularities or tile size variations. We also address how to avoid common pitfalls, such as over-application of adhesive or uneven pressure on the tiles. Once the tiles are set and the adhesive has cured, we transition to grouting. The video details how to choose a grout color that complements your tiles and how to apply it properly using a grout float. We show how to clean the excess grout without leaving a haze, and how to finish the joint smoothly for a neat, professional look. The final phase includes post-installation cleaning, sealing the grout if necessary, and inspecting the entire wall for any minor flaws that can be corrected before the adhesive fully sets. We also provide maintenance tips: how to clean your ceramic tiled garden wall, how often to reseal if needed, and what kind of cleaning products to use to preserve the shine and strength of the tiles. Throughout the video, you'll find pro tips and real-world advice from years of hands-on experience, things like working in sections, how to deal with rapid drying in hot weather, and what to do if you encounter an unexpected bump or bulge on the wall. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the technical steps of tiling a garden wall with ceramic, but also develop an eye for detail and a feel for the rhythm of the work. It's more than just a tutorial, it's a full immersion into a craft that blends precision, aesthetics, and durability. Whether you're updating a small garden corner or revamping the entire outdoor space, this guide will empower you to take on the challenge with confidence, transforming ordinary walls into elegant, stylish features that enhance the beauty and value of your home. As we transition into the second phase of this advanced ceramic wall tiling project, we go beyond the basics and delve into the fine art of achieving a seamless, polished look that endures for years. The focus now shifts to professional level refinements, long-term durability, and the aesthetic nuances that elevate your work from good to exceptional. We begin this extended segment by addressing a crucial but often overlooked topic: weather management during installation. Outdoor tiling is susceptible to the effects of humidity, direct sunlight, wind, and even nighttime temperature drops. We demonstrate how to adjust your workflow according to the climate covering tiles after setting them in intense sun, consistent adhesive moisture, and protecting unfinished areas from sudden rainfall. Asterisk, the video shows in real time how to handle expansion joints in large outdoor walls. These joints, strategically placed, prevent future cracking due to thermal expansion and contraction. We illustrate how to mark joint placement, fill them with flexible sealants, and hide them elegantly within the tile layout without compromising the visual harmony. Asterisk. We also take a deeper look into tile orientation and visual flow. Using and layout simulations, we explain how to direct the viewer's eye using horizontal or vertical lines, diagonals, or broken patterns, depending on the shape and purpose of the wall. If the wall is curved or has built-in planter boxes or shelves, we guide you through special tile cutting techniques like making curved edge cuts, feathering, or creating clean joints around obstacles using a combination of wet saw and hand nippers. Asterisk. Next comes the artistic stage decorative enhancements and inlay patterns. For homeowners or craftsmen seeking more than just plain coverage, we showcase how to insert border tiles, create center medallions, or design framed mosaics. These additions, though optional, give the wall a custom-made high-end finish. We show how to prepare a base for mosaics, how to align them with the main tiles, and how to avoid grout bleeding into decorative areas. Asterisk, to ensure a resilient finish, we explore advanced sealing techniques. Not all ceramic tiles require sealing, but in outdoor settings where water, exposure, frost, or mold is a concern, proper sealing is key. We explain the difference between penetrating sealers and surface sealers, when and how to apply each, and how to test the wall after sealing to confirm coverage. Asterisk. A substantial portion of this segment is also devoted to repair and maintenance. Strategies. What happens if a tile becomes chipped, loose, or cracked months after installation? We demonstrate how to safely remove a damaged tile without affecting neighboring ones, how to clean the cavity, reapply adhesive, and reset the new tile flush with the original layout. We even include expert advice on how to match older grout, shades to avoid visible patches. Asterisk. In addition, we dive into efficiency tips for professionals, how to tile faster without sacrificing quality, how to organize your workspace for minimal movement, and how to handle multi-day projects while maintaining a consistent look throughout. You'll learn how to store and protect leftover tiles, label your cutting plans, and document your progress to easily resume work after a break. Asterisk. Finally, we wrap up with a visual walkthrough of finished garden wall tiling projects. These before and after shots highlight how different tile types stone look, glossy matte, pattern transform various garden settings, from rustic courtyards to sleek modern patios. We also show how proper lighting such as wall washers or LED strips enhances the final result, casting shadows that emphasize texture and bringing out color depth at night. Asterisk. This comprehensive second part is designed not just to show how to tile a garden wall, but to inspire you to tile with purpose, precision, and pride. It's a celebration of outdoor craftsmanship, a resource for passionate builders, and a testament to how even a simple wall can become a masterpiece with the right mindset, tools, and attention to detail. Asterisk. If you've ever dreamed of turning a plain outdoor space into a beautifully tiled sanctuary, this extended tutorial is your blueprint. With patience, skill, and the right guidance just like the one offered here, you can bring elegance, protection, and personality to your garden walls, making them as much a part of your home's identity as any room inside. In this extended third part of our deep dive into garden wall ceramic tiling, transform your outdoor space with style. We go even further, unpacking the hidden details, professional secrets, and innovative design ideas that turn a simple tiling project into a durable, weather-resistant, and visually striking masterpiece. This isn't just about sticking tiles on a wall, it's about mastering a craft that blends engineering, artistry, and a deep respect for materials. Asterisk. We begin this segment by focusing on the most common mistakes people make when tiling garden walls and how to avoid them. These include using the wrong adhesive for outdoor use, skipping the priming step on concrete or block walls, starting from the wrong reference point, neglecting drainage considerations, and using inappropriate grouting materials. For each mistake, we offer detailed solutions, clear explanations, and real-life scenarios that show how a small oversight can lead to costly repairs or tile failure. Then, we shift to one of the most advanced and rewarding aspects of the process: custom design and personalization. You'll learn how to combine different tile sizes for a modular, geometric look, use color gradients or tonal shifts across large surfaces, integrate ceramic borders or natural stone strips as accent lines, create symmetry around wall elements, such as water taps, garden lamps, or vertical columns, install featured tiles with printed motifs or textured finishes for focal points. We include expert demonstrations on how to balance complexity with simplicity, making the wall interesting without overwhelming it, and how to sketch design plans before laying a single tile with mock-ups, reference boards, and digital layout tools. We guide you on how to test your idea before full execution. Moving forward. The video highlights modern materials and evolving trends in garden wall ceramic tiling. For example, porcelain versus ceramic, which is better for different climates. We compare their properties, prices, and performance in various weather conditions. Self-cleaning tiles, a newer innovation with hydrophobic coatings that repel dirt and moisture. Ideal for walls exposed to rain or irrigation systems. Eco-friendly adhesives and grouts, materials with lower VOCs, volatile organic compounds, and improved resistance to algae, perfect for gardens with heavy vegetation. A major section is dedicated to problem-solving in real-world conditions. We show how to tile over uneven walls by creating a scratch coat or furring out sections with cement board. We explain how to address moisture seepage with breathable membranes, and how to work around difficult obstacles like electrical conduits, metal fencing, or old plaster residues. These practical strategies are backed by demonstrations, so even complex challenges are made accessible. But that's not all. This part also opens the door to aesthetic elevation through lighting and texture. We show how to combine matte and glossy tiles for visual contrast, how to add depth through raised relief tiles, and how to highlight patterns using solar garden lighting. You'll learn how shadows can enhance texture, and how subtle grooves or carvings can catch the light in magical ways. During golden hour or evening illumination, then comes one of the most crucial topics in outdoor tiling: long-term maintenance and performance. Here we break down seasonal inspections, how to spot early signs of damage or discoloration, grout care routines, how often to reseal and clean, and with what materials, dealing with biological threats, mold, algae, and plant roots, how to prevent and eliminate them without damaging the tile. Repair kits and emergency fixes, what to keep on hand and how to act fast when a tile gets chipped or dislodged. In a special section for professionals and serious hobbyists, we delve into scaling up your skills, how to quote for outdoor ceramic wall projects, how to prepare client proposals with digital previews, and how to manage timelines for large jobs. We also cover business etiquette on-site, including protecting gardens, keeping noise down, and working around client schedules without compromising quality. To wrap up, we showcase inspirational transformations from around the world: courtyard walls in Mediterranean villas, vertical herb gardens tiled in bright colors, mosaic water features framed by ceramic tiles, and minimalist Japanese gardens with muted textural wall finishes. These visuals serve as a portfolio of what's possible with imagination, patience, and the right techniques. This third part isn't just a conclusion. It's an invitation to master the craft of ceramic tiling as both an art and a discipline. Whether you are working on a small backyard wall or envisioning an entire outdoor living space makeover, this video empowers you with the vision, knowledge, and confidence to do it beautifully and to make your work speak volumes without ever saying a word. Welcome to the fourth and most immersive part of our comprehensive series on garden wall ceramic tiling. Transform your outdoor space with style. This is where craftsmanship meets creativity, where we don't just look at how tiles are installed, why each design decision matters, how outdoor environments affect perception, and how your wall becomes not just a surface, but a statement. The philosophy of outdoor tiling beyond function. At this advanced stage, we step into the philosophy of space. A tiled garden wall is not just a protector from wind or moisture, it becomes an extension of your identity, your mood, and your message to those who enter your outdoor world. We ask key questions. Asterisk, what story do you want your wall to tell? Asterisk, what feeling should visitors have when they see it? Asterisk, should it evoke serenity, celebration, nature, structure, or perhaps a blend? Asterisk, we explore how color psychology plays into this. For example, asterisk, earth tones brown, terracotta, ochre bring warmth and grounding. Cool tones, gray-blue, white offer calmness and a modern vibe. Vibrant accents, turquoise, emerald, mustard create focal energy and draw attention to detail. Asterisk, we teach how to use these tones harmoniously, how to apply the 603010 rule base secondary accent in tiling, and how lighting changes those tones throughout the day and night. Unconventional layouts breaking the grid. Asterisk, most tiling jobs stick to straight lines and uniform grids. In this section, we challenge that standard and unlock techniques for asterisk, asymmetric layouts that mimic natural formations like waves, roots, or mountain lines. Randomized patchwork using leftover tiles, turning waste into art. 3D layering, where tiles protrude slightly at intervals for sculptural effect. Asterisk, interlocking tile shapes, such as arabesque, hexagon, fish scale, or herringbone on vertical surfaces. Asterisk, we provide on-screen guides to plan and test these layouts using simple laser levels and painter's tape before committing to adhesive. Fusion with nature, blending tile and garden elements. Asterisk. This section focuses on harmonizing your wall with the natural environment. We showcase design strategies where ceramic tiling becomes part of the living garden. Tileland planter integration, embedding ceramic frames around hanging plants or climbing vines. Water feature tiling, combining ceramic with flowing water through tiled spouts, mosaic basins, or rain chains. Asterisk, tile, and wood fusion, blending ceramic panels with reclaimed wood, creating contrast between raw and refined. Asterisk, birdhouse niches and insect hotels incorporated into the wall, surrounded by patterned tiles. Asterisk, you'll also learn how to choose tiles that complement your plant palette, light tiles for shadow-heavy gardens, or textured matte tiles for succulent or desert-themed spaces. The sound of tile, acoustic, and emotional design. Asterisk, unusual but powerful. We explore the acoustic qualities of tiled garden walls. Did you know the texture and pattern of tiles can affect how sound moves in a garden? We discuss echo management in small patios, using tile to bounce ambient music or water sounds across a space. Asterisk, creating zones of silence and resonance with curved or angular tile surfaces. Asterisk, the section draws from architecture and sensory. Design ideal for those creating meditation gardens, outdoor lounges, or intimate cafe-style corners. Extreme durability, preparing for time in nature. Asterisk, beauty must be backed by endurance. This segment is a deep dive into tile resilience for decades, showing you how to choose UV-resistant glazes that won't fade in the sun. Apply anti-graffiti coatings in urban spaces. Asterisk, use flexible adhesive systems that tolerate movement in earthquake-prone zones or old foundations. Asterisk, install drainage layers and moisture barriers behind tiles for rainy or humid climates. Asterisk, plan for seasonal shifting with expansion gaps cleverly hidden in design. Asterisk, we also address wildlife resistance, how to prevent birds, ants, or rodents from nesting behind tiles or damaging joints. Art as protection, sacred geometry, and cultural expression. Asterisk, in this final portion, we explore